Pronunciation and vocab tips in Arabic. Yalla. So to say the future in Arabic, you would say al-mustaqbal. To say the past in Arabic, you would say al-madi. Now pay attention, this is in standard Arabic. The pronunciation that I'm using right now, al-mustaqbal and al-madi, this is in standard Arabic. If I wanted to use Levantine colloquial Arabic, I would say il-mustaqbal versus il-madi, or il-mustaqbal to mean the future, Levantine Arabic, and il-madi to mean the past, Levantine Arabic. Notice the change between al-mustaqbal and il-mustaqbal. Standard Arabic, Levantine Arabic. Al, we use usually in standard Arabic, and you'll notice in dialect a lot of times we'll change the al. They mean the same thing, al and il. They both mean the, as many of you already know. But in dialect Arabic, we'll change al to il. So al-mustaqbal, il-mustaqbal. The other thing I changed was the pronunciation of the qaf. In a lot of instances, the qaf in the Levant will change from a qa sound to an a. So instead of saying al-mustaqbal, I'm saying il-mustaqbal, a sound instead of qa. And then al-madi just changed to il-madi. The al just changing to il. That's one of the most common differences in pronunciation between standard Arabic and Levantine Arabic. Al and il. Tamam. Let me know if you guys have any questions. بشوفكم الفيديو الجاي. See you in the next video.